Why does this bird look like it's late to a villain meeting? And trust me, it gets worse. This is a secretary bird, aka an ostrich that got nerfed and shoved into office attire. Evolution said, give it legs for days and a haircut that screams middle management meltdown. This thing doesn't fly. It stomps. Like, hard enough to solo an entire snake population. Its battle strategy is basically kick it until it stops being alive. And the weirdest part? No, seriously, you are not ready. Hit subscribe before this bird adds you to its to-do list. It's already dressed for HR. Be honest. Could you survive one angry stomp session from this feathery debt collector? Like the video? Or this bird shows up to your house demanding paperwork. And the worst part is,